working a full-time job by yourself, worse if you have a child or two, you're not gonna can survive.
No. You cannot survive on a one paycheck.
No.
Can't. It's hard.
It's
So when I
hard.
see people crying, now we're sitting back looking in depth and realize that it's really hard. After you pay your bills, if you pay your rent or mortgage, and you pay your bills, there's nothing.
There's nothing. And like it's hard because it's you should be able to can survive on a single income. Like not everybody's gonna be in a relationship that they're gonna be splitting the expenses. Some persons have themselves and they have to work. And you don't. Why are you forced to have to do two jobs in order to survive? So that is really unfortunate. So for persons who are like in that situation, I can really see where they're coming from. Now we did previous episodes, and we were like, why